Hi guys, check this out. I ordered some springs on eBay. Green springs. See that little bit of green? Green springs. And they was gonna be $263, but they wasn't gonna get here until February. I was gonna wait because I thought I had no other choice. I tried Amazon. They had red, blue, yellow, gold, but they didn't have green. I tried, well, I haven't tried Lowe's. And you know what? I probably could have ordered them off. Well, let me change that. Home Depot said they don't keep them in the stores. I have to order them online. I never tried because I don't know. I just said I'd do eBay. Well, anyway, eBay is taking too long. So a coworker told me to call around and talk to garage companies. They might sell me the springs. And I'm like, they're not going to sell me the springs. They're going to want to install them. So I called around and I found a company that would sell me the springs. And they said it's $75 a piece. So I'm getting ready to take these off and take them to him because he told me to bring them. And I'm like, why do I need to bring them when, according to eBay, green springs, when you specify green springs, they come one length, they come one thickness, they come one inside diameter. So why do I need to match them up if you got green springs? I don't think the man has green springs, but we'll find out when I get there. Guys, I know something you all have never seen me eat before. And I'm 100% positive you've never seen me eat this before because I don't eat them very often because it tastes like crap. You ready? Church's chicken. I just got a taste. I haven't had any in a while. I mean, I haven't had any this year. Hell, I'm sure I had some last year, but I haven't had any. You know what? I wouldn't be surprised if I hadn't had any last year. No, I have. It's been a while though. It's been probably 3 months, if not more. Let's go see what it is. You know what? I haven't even started. And the bull shook has already started. The inside closed, even though they got a sign that says lobby is open to go, but the inside is closed. Then I'm thinking, well, maybe they close. And the woman is standing there. What trip out is, you walk up to a door, people see you coming up to the door, but they don't say nothing to you. And you pull on the damn door, and they don't say nothing to you. This is the reason why I don't. You know, I said, I'm getting ready to go to Marietta. And I said, I'm going to wait till I get to the white side of town before I get food. Why? Because some bull shook just like this. Don't even worry about it. All right, guys. I'm at the place. It's called All Four Seasons Garage Door. I'm out here in, well, they say it's Marietta, but it's Canton Road. It's Canton Road. And I got the 2 springs for $150. They're not green, they're black, but he said, don't worry about the color. He said, worry about the number. All right, the springs are a little shorter than mine, but again, he said it won't matter. He said that my springs are like some years old. He said the new springs are newer. They don't have to be made as large to do the same work. He claimed these springs will last. He said if my old spring lasts 29 years, these will last a lot longer than that. We'll find out. Anywho, I'm on head back to, I was getting ready to say Atlanta, but I don't live in Atlanta. But I got to go through Atlanta to get to Ellenwood. I think I'm going to stop at Golden Corral on 41. I was going to try to get some churchy chicken, but man, churchy chicken, you know what? I mean, I like it when it tastes good. I'm gonna tell you what. There's a Church of Chicken south of Columbus, Georgia, on I think it's 41. It's South Columbus. It's like going to Cedar Spring from Columbus, Georgia, on that back road. There's a Church of Chicken next to a what they call it, a Huddle House, and there's a Church of Chicken and a BP gas station. That Church of Chicken sells some good food, but the ones around Atlanta, they sucks. So it ain't no big deal. Anyway, I'm gonna stop at Golden Corral. I want some food. You know what I mean? I'm on a diet and I'm going back, not necessarily to the 1 meal a day thing, but I've noticed that when I'm at home, I can get away with eating 1 meal a day. On the road, I guess because of the driving, I'm burning up energy. So it's hard to do that 1 meal a day, but at home it's easy as hell. But anyway, I'm gonna stop at Golden Corral, get something to eat, and go home, put these damn springs on, and hopefully this will solve my problem. And they are damaged. I will show you the new springs, and you'll see the old one would definitely coming apart. The guy who works in the office, I don't know if he black or is he Arab, but he is cute. Pretty fingernails, look like he about 24, 25, something like that. When I get this taken care of, I might call back up here and see does he mess around. Cause he is cute. This is my old spring, and notice how it is popped loose. It is, I don't know, is it just twisted or what, but it is loose. It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be tightly round like this. So if I had been an expert on garage doors, I would have known right away that my spring was bad. Can't help but notice the difference. So now this is 20721. I went by the color of the spring. He said that I should go by the number. Also, he said, he showed me the way this is twisted. He said when the spring is under no stretch, it should look like that. So he said this spring is bad, it's been twisted. So that's the reason why the door will go up and then just stop. So I'm getting ready to install the new springs. Basically, the black should go on your right side. The red should go on that side. I forgot what color mine came off. I wasn't paying attention, but I do know this says R, and I'm quite sure it came off on this side. So I guess this would be the right side. Let's see this one say. This one says left. And I'm sure it came off on that side. Okay, I can't remember which side came off what side. This red and that's the black. But I do remember one side was slightly longer than the other. And these are pretty even. And this is the longest one, which is the black. I went in the house and watched the video. The longest cable spring was on the right side. And I checked online, the guy said the black should go on the right side. So I'm pretty sure I'm putting the right one on the right side. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It was the spring. Is that cable still tight? Yep. Okay, we're gonna go, I'm gonna have to go one more. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go one more. Gonna have to go one more. Because it goes up, but it don't want to stay up. And it should be able to stay up when this is in neutral. So we're going to try to go one more turn. Hopefully it don't snap in my face. So that's what it was, bad springs. I'll be damned. What side should I try? Should I do both sides, half a turn apiece? We're gonna try half this side. Damn piece of wood is in the way. This is the reason I try to go all the way. All right, we're gonna see, does that make a difference? Okay. It's still drooping, so I guess I'll put a turn on the right side. Oh shit. Guys, make sure you don't put your finger in that. I don't think you need no more spring. Okay. No, I don't think that needs no more spring. Let's see how this thing works. Okay, let's see, does it work? Oh, it's the spring gonna damn pop off. I mean the cables. Guys, that is perfect. My spring is a little, the cable is slightly loose. Not much. Slightly, but not much. But it always been like that when it got up. I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. Now I want to crank up my bike. I've started it, but I want to let it run for like a little time. Now I can let it run. Hopefully it'll crank.